Shinryoku is about being the furnace, not the candle. So imagine a candle, y'all. If the wind is blowing the candle, like this candle, what does it do? It flickers. If it rains, what happens? It dies. But now I want you to imagine a furnace. A furnace is built with walls, and you feed a furnace intentionally, and it turns pressure into heat and heat into power. Shinryoku is about being the furnace, not the candle. All right? Most people are really just flickers, easily put out. But if you really want to be a man, especially who leads, then you have to burn steady even when the room turns cold, y'all.